Hare Krishna. So, we will continue Srimad Bhagavatam study. Om Ajnana-timirandasya Gyananjana-shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa-kadamayam Dadati Sapadantika. Vandeham Shri Guru Shvetapadagamlam Shri Gurun Vaishnavam Shri Rupam Sarvajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastate Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Paramami Hari Priye Vanchakalpataruvyascha Kripa Sindhuve Vacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyata Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Canto number 10 Chapter 18 Lord Balram slays the demon Pralamba. Shloka 4 Text 4 Yatra nirjara nirradha nivrita svana chilikam Sashvatakshikaradjishadruma mandala manditam Yatra in which Vrindavan Nirjara of the waterfalls Nirrada by the resounding Nivrita stopped Swana the sound Jilikam of the crickets Shashvat constant Tat of those waterfalls Shikhara by the drops of water Irjisa moisture Druma of trees Mandala with the groups Manditam decorated. Translation purport by the humble servants of Srila Prabhupada. Translation in Vrindavan, the loud sound of waterfalls covered the cricket's noise, and clusters of trees constantly moistened by spray from those waterfalls beautified the entire area. Purport. This and the following three verses describe how Vrindavan manifested the features of spring even during the summer season. Next, Sharitsara Prashravanormi Vayuna Karalara Kanjotpala Renuharina Na Vidyate Yatra Vanaukasham Davo Nidagha Vahni Arka Bhavoti Sadhavale Sharit of the river Shara and the lakes Prasravana coming into contact with the currents, Urmi and waves Vayuna by the wind, Kahlara Kanja Utpala of the Kahlara Kanja and Utpala lotuses, Renu the pollen, Harina which was taking away, Na Vidyate there was not, Yatra in which Vana Okasham of the residents of the forest, Dava tormenting heat, Nidagha of the summer season, Vani by forest fires, Arka and the sun, Bhava generated Ati Sadhavale, where there was an abundance of green grass. Translation The wind wafting over the waves of the lakes and flowing rivers carried away the pollen of many varieties of lotuses and water lilies and then cooled the entire Vrindavan area. Thus, the residents there did not suffer from the heat generated by the blazing summer sun and seasonal forest fires. Indeed, Vrindavan was abundant with fresh green grass. Next verse Agadha toya hridni tatodmibhid dravat purishya pulina samantata न यत्र चन्दांशुकरा विशोल्बना भुवरसं शाद्वलितं च गृह्णते Agadha, very deep Toya, whose water, Hridini, of the rivers Tata, upon the shores, Urmi bhi, by the waves Dravat, liquefied, Purishya, whose mud, Pulina, by the sandy banks, Samantata, on all sides, Na, not, Yatra, upon which Chanda of the sun, Amshukara, the rays, Visha, like poison, Ulbana, fierce, Bhuva of the earth, Rasham, the juice, Sadvalitam, the greenness, Cha, and Ghnate, take away. Translation. With their flowing waves, the deep rivers drenched their banks, making them damp and muddy. Thus, the rays of the sun, which were as fierce as poison, could not evaporate the earth's sap or parch its green grass. Vanam kushumitam shriman nadak chitra mriga dvijam Gayan Mayura Brahmaram Kujat Kokila Sharasham Vanam, the forest Kushumitam, full of flowers, Srimat, very beautiful, Nadat, making sounds, Chitra, variegated, Mriga, animals, Dvijam, and birds, Gayan, singing, Mayura, peacocks, Brahmaram, and bees, Kujat, cooing, Kokila, cuckoos, Sharasham, and cranes. Translation. Flowers beautifully decorated the forest of Vrindavan, and many varieties of animals and birds filled it with sound. The peacocks and bees sang, and the cuckoos and cranes cooed. Next. Kridishyamanas Krishno Bhagavan Bala Samyuta Venum Viranayan Gopai Godhanai Samvrito Vishat Kridisyamana, intending to play that Vrindavan forest, Krishna, Bhagavan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bala Samyuta, accompanied by Balaram, Venum, his flute, Viranayan, sounding Gopai by the cowherd boys, Godhana, and the cows, who are they wealth, Samvrita, surrounded, Avishat, he entered. Translation. Intending to engage in pastimes, Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, accompanied by Lord Balaram, and surrounded by the cowherd boys and the cows, entered the forest of Vrindavan as he played his flute. Pravala Bahra Stabaka Sragdhatu Krita Bhushana Ramakrishna Gopananrato Yudhur Jagu. Pravala, newly grown leaves, Barha, peacock feathers, Tabaka, bunches of small flowers, Shrak, garlands, Dhatu, and colored minerals, Krita Bhushana, wearing as their ornaments Ramakrishna Adaya, headed by Lord Balaram and Lord Krishna, Gopa, the cowherd boys, Nanratu, danced, Yuyudhu, fought, Jagu, sang. Translation. Decorating themselves with newly grown leaves along with peacock feathers, garlands, clusters of lotus buds, and colored minerals, Balaram, Krishna, and their cowherd friends danced, wrestled, and sang. Krishnasya kritaya nirta nityata kechid Jagu केचित् अवादयन् वेणुपाणितले शृङ्गाय प्रशशंसुर अथापले pare Krishnasya nityata. While Krishna was dancing, Kechit, some of them, Jagu sang, Kechit, some, Avadayan, accompanied musically, Venu, with flutes, Pani Talai, and hand cymbals, Shringai, with buffalo horns, Prashashamsu, offered praise, Atha, and Apare, others. Translation. As Krishna danced, some of the boys accompanied him by singing and others by playing flutes. As Krishna danced, some of the boys accompanied him by singing and others by playing flutes, hand cymbals, and buffalo horns, while still others praised his dancing. Wanting to encourage Sri Krishna, some of the cowherd boys openly praised his dancing. Gopajati Pratichana Devagopala Rupinau Idire Krishna Rama Ucha Nata Iva Natam Nripa Gopajati as members of the cowherd community Patichana disguised Deva demigods Gopala Rupinau who had assumed the forms of cowherd boys. They worshipped Krishna Ramu, Lord Krishna and Lord Rama, Cha and Patnata. Professional dancers, Eva just as Natam and another dancer, Nirpa, O king. Translation: O king, demigods disguise themselves as members of the cowherd community, and just as dramatic dancers praise another dancer, she worshipped Krishna and Balram, who were also appearing as cowherd boys. भ्रमणै लङ्घनै क्षेपै आस्फोटन विकर्षण चिक्रीडतु नियुधेन काकपक्षधरौ क्वचित् भ्रमणै with whirling about लङ्घनै jumping क्षेपै throwing आस्फोटन slapping विकर्षण and dragging Chikridatu. They, Krishna and Balaram, played Niyudhena with fighting Kakapaksha, the locks of hair on the side of their heads. Okay, Dharau holding Kachit sometimes. Translation: Krishna and Balram played with their cowherd boyfriends by whirling about, leaping, hurling, slapping, and fighting. Sometimes Krishna and Balram would pull the hair of others' hair on the boys' heads. But the Acharyas have explained this verse as follows. The word Brahmanai indicates that the boys pretending they were machines would sometimes whirl about until they became dizzy. They would also sometimes jump about Langhanai. The word Shepai indicates that sometimes they would hurl objects like balls or stones, and sometimes they would grab each other by the arms and throw one another about. Asfotana means that sometimes they would slap one another's one another's shoulders or backs, and Vikarshana indicates they would drag one another about in the midst of their play. By the word Niyudhena, arm wrestling and other types of friendly fighting are indicated. And the word Kaka Paksha Dharo means that Krishna and Balram would sometimes grab the hair on the other boys' heads in a playful mood. Next verse: Kvachin nityatsu chanyeshu gayakau vadakau सशम सतुर महाराजा साधु सदैव दानी साधु साध्व इति वादिनौ क्वचित् sometimes nityatsu while they were dancing cha and anyeshu others gayako, the two of them Krishna and Balram singing